Why do men suddenly lose interest even when everything seemed perfect? One day he's texting you all the time. The next day he's distant, cold, or gone. If you've confused, hurt, or even blamed yourself, this video will open your eyes. Because the truth is, men don't lose interest randomly. There are deep psychological reasons behind it. Reason no one, the chase is gone. In the beginning, everything feels exciting. There's mystery, curiosity, effort. But when things become too easy, too predictable, the emotional excitement starts to fade. It's not about playing games, it's about keeping a natural sense of challenge and independence. Because attraction grows in space, not in pressure. Reason number two, too much emotional dependence. Men feel attracted to women who have their own life, their own energy, their own purpose. But when a woman becomes emotionally dependent, always needing attention, validation, or reassurance, it slowly pushes him away. Not because he doesn't care, but because it starts to feel heavy. Confidence is attractive, neediness is not. Reason number three, he feels controlled. When a man feels like he's being controlled, told what to do, how to act, who to be, he starts to pull back. Because deep down, every man values freedom. The more pressure he feels, the more distance he creates. Real connection comes from understanding, not control. Reason number four, lack of emotional connection. Sometimes the physical attraction is there, but the emotional connection is missing. If conversations become dry, repetitive, or surface level, the bond starts to weaken. Men may not always express it, but they crave emotional connection too. They just experience it differently. Reason number five, he's no longer growing with you. Attraction isn't just about feelings. If a relationship feels stuck,
or there's no excitement, no progress, no future vision, interest starts to fade. People stay where they feel inspired, not where they feel stuck.
so if a man is losing interest, don't panic and don't chase. Instead, focus on yourself, your energy, your confidence, your life. Because the moment you become valuable in your own world, you naturally capture it. Remember, real attraction is never forced. If this helped you understand things differently, like, subscribe, and comment I choose myself, and I'll see you in the next video.